Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we are comparing two fantastic smartphone gimbals, the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer and the Hohem iSteady Mobile Kit. Both of these gimbals promise to enhance your videography experience, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer is priced at an attractive $69, making it a great entry-level option for those new to videography. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Kit comes in at $109, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While the AOCHUAN is perfect for casual creators, the Hohem offers more advanced functionality for serious videographers. Both gimbals utilize advanced stabilization technology to ensure smooth footage. The AOCHUAN features Smart 8.0 anti-shake technology, which is effective for most shooting scenarios. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus boasts iSteady 7.0 technology with 20% increased motor torque, making it more capable of handling heavier smartphones and dynamic movements, ensuring your shots remain steady even in challenging conditions. One of the standout features of the AOCHUAN gimbal is its dedicated focus wheel, allowing for precise control over focus and zoom during filming. This tactile control is a significant advantage for creators looking to achieve cinematic effects. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus includes a magnetic fill light that offers 3 color temperatures, enhancing your lighting setup for vlogging and ensuring your subjects are well lit in any environment. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer and the Hohem iSteady Mobile Kit have their strengths and weaknesses. The AOCHUAN is an excellent choice for those on a budget or just starting, while the Hohem provides advanced features for more serious creators. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.